stuff, babe. Am I clear?
What? I don't see anyone over here, so should be all right.
Parker!
Man, a bunch of people.
Get dead in the head.
Is there anybody over there, Dad?
That's their spawn.
What?
So that's their spawn.
Now they pop out.
Hey, Fabulous.
Hey, beauty. How you doing? Hit the tower!
Ow.
Go ahead, go ahead. Shove my hand down that kid's throat and rip out his stomach. Big back, big back. Come on, come on. Come on. Okay. Where are you recording?
You're out. He just kind of stood there. Hey, oh, never mind. Hold on. Hold on. There's a guy up there in the tower with the GoPro. I saw his red light.
Tower?
Yeah, he's barely his helmet's barely sticking out like that much.
Oh, you want to take it?
Here, excuse me.
Line. Line.
There's a barrel right there. There's a barrel sticking up.
Dude, that's scary, dude. Call that. When are you gonna call it? You ain't calling that. Up in the tower? No, I've already hit him like 2 times. Alright. I will annihilate this.
Yeah, I'm going that way.
You got the entrance, Parker? Good shooting.
Mine? Yeah. It's supposed to sound like that.
Not really. You go. Tag it. Miguito.
Hey, right here, right here, right here. They were shooting this right from their spawn door. Are they there? No?
Oh, there's no one there.
There's not?
No, there's no one there right now.
I kind of want to go back there.
Here, I'll get down low. Alright, ready? Go.
Oh, Parker! Parker! Parker!
That guy in the tower.
Yeah, I'm gonna cross. You cover, I'm crossing under.
Okay.
Go under. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go!
Dude, my mask is too foggy.
Walk around.
I know, but I kind of can't. That's their spawn up there.
Make a respawn then.
Hi.
Hello. Merry Christmas. Check if there's someone around here. You got
Can
it.
almost
Alright,
guarantee that there's not. Because with people up in barn, yeah. Man. anticlimactic. Man.
Big bang! Big bang!
Oh man. Hey, a little kid already got him. I was there when he got him. Don't you love it when your gun just, you know, farts in your face?
Oh no, this is the second time I've used that bag.
Oh, dude. You need to tighten this. Oh well.
Put it under your mask. It's much more comfortable.